Welcome to Tech Brothers Damir. In this video, we are going to learn how to use count function in a PySpark. The count function returns the number of rows in a data frame. So that's very straightforward. If you want to get the total number of rows from our data frame, we will be using a count function. So here's my data, and if you see that I have 5 records here, but there are 2 of them, they are duplicate. So you can see Amir Shehzad is the duplicate with another record here, and then we have Ali, and that record is also duplicate with this record. Now total 5 records, and then only 3 unique records. That's what we have. I'm gonna also show you how to use the distinct count, and that's what the goal is. That's why I'm putting some duplicate records here. So here's a list of the columns. So we have name, department, and salary depending upon our data. So you see that we have names, department, and salary. And then I'm creating a data frame here, and my data frame name is df. So df equal to spark.create data frame, and the create data frame function will help us to create the data frame. And here I have to provide 2 things. I have to provide data, and also have to provide a schema. So in this case, we already have the schema equal to columns. So that's what the variable we have right there, and we use to create a df data frame. Once the data frame is created, we are just printing the results to see the records in our data frame. So I'm going to just select this code and hit shift control enter to run the selected text. Now here is our table ready. We have name, department, and salary, and it looks great. We have 5 records. No big deal. Till to now we haven't used any count function. Now we are going to go ahead and use the count function. So here's our count function. Total number of rows, it will return us if we will run this on our data frame. It will return us including the duplicate records. So if I'll say total rows, that's my variable df.count. What's going to happen is going to count all those rows and then return us the output. That's going to be like 5 rows. So let's go ahead and print, and now we are going to get 5 right here. Okay, so total number of rows in data frame is 5. Because we did not use any distinct or anything, just the simple count, even it's going to go ahead and add the duplicate records in the counting. Now if you want to go for distinct, what you have to do, so here we have defined a variable, and then we said the df, that's my data frame, and then we use distinct function first. So we are only using the distinct records from the data frame, and then we use the count function on top of it. What this will do, it will only give us the distinct count. So if I execute this, and now we should be getting only 3 records. Remember that we have a total 5, but there are 2 of them, they are duplicating. So we have only 3 unique records. So this count function can be used with the group by as well. So here if we want to display the name, and then see how many times that name did happen in the data frame or occur in that data frame. So in that case, let's say here we have Amir. So Amir is here in twice, Ali is here in twice, Raza is only 1 time. So that's what going to happen. So we are grouping by name, and then we are counting by the name, and then showing the output. So if we execute this code, what's going to happen? We will see 2 records for Amir, 2 records count for Ali, and 1 record count for Raza. So that's exactly it did. So you can see that we have Amir Shehzad equal to 2 count, and then we have Ali with the 2, and then we have Raza with the 2. So you can use count with the group by, and it's very helpful to analyze your data, how many duplicate records you have in that data frame by a specific column. And thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.